Let's solve this together. It says x over 2 dot x over 2 is equal to 2 over x dot 2 over x. We're going to solve this together, okay? Now, first thing we can do here is to say x over 2 dot x over 2 is equal to x over 2 multiplied by x over 2. So this is equal to x squared over 2 squared, okay? To be equal to 2 squared over x squared. Now we can cross multiply by multiplying this by this and this by this. We have that this is x raised to power 4 to be equal to 2 raised to power 4. Okay, we're going to have that x raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 4 will be equal to 0. Okay, so we got that from here. Now, from here we can also say that this is x squared raised to the power of 2 minus 2 squared raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 0. Okay, now from here you can see that this is difference of 2 squares. Okay, so this being difference of 2 squares, you're going to have that this is x squared minus 2 squared multiplied by x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Okay, moving on from here, we have when the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that x squared minus 2 squared is equal to 0. This again is the difference of 2 squares, alright? So we're going to say that this is equal to x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 to be equal to 0. Okay? From here, we now have that our x is either equal to plus 2 or minus 2. Okay? Now these are the first two answers for x. Let's find the remaining two answers for x. Okay? We have that x squared plus 2 squared can also be equal to 0, okay, from here. Now, when you have this is sum of 2 squares. So when we have something like a squared plus b squared is equal to a plus bi multiplied by a minus bi. Applying this law here, we now have that this become x plus 2i multiplied by x minus 2i to be equal to 0. When the product of things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x is equal to 2i or minus 2i. Okay? So these are the answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.